Good afternoon everybody and welcome back to the kitchen. In today's video I like to share with you our easy dump and bake crescent roll baked bean casserole recipe. So let's do this. While preheating the oven to 350, I start to grease my baking dish. And now I take my crescent rolls and put them in. And this goes into the oven for about 10 minutes. Alright, and now we dump in our favorite baked beans. Spread it out. Now we dump in 5 hot dogs that I cut in small pieces. Now I add the cheese and I'm using a FIESTA blend. And another layer of crescent roll dough. And more cheese on top. And now we bake it for another 12 to 15 minutes. And our dump and bake crescent roll baked bean casserole is done. We're gonna eat now. Thank you so much for watching and I hope I see you next time. Bye!